I think the first talagang official love team was Rogelio de la Rosa and Carmen Rosales.
Nung panahon ni Vilma at saka si Boy De Leon, halimbawa, Christopher De Leon, yung mga usapin ng pagiging independent woman.
It can be intense. Talagang mababaliw ka sa the shrieks, no?
You can also consider Catherine and Alden kasi post-pandemic sila yung parang nagbigay ng, I think, hope that people are returning back to music.
How different is the visibility of fans, of fandoms, before and now, of love teams?
Kanina sabi ko, Guy and Pip ang ano ko.
Yes, yes.
The reason for that, I think, si Nora, talagang nag-break siya ng ganung klase ng norm ng ang mga aktor ay maputi, nasabi ko na yun kanina, hyphenated yung kadalasang mga identity
pangalan
nila.
yes.
So, may certain type talaga, no? Pero Nora, binasag niya ito, you know, at kaya talagang ang masa ay naka-identify with Nora. And I think that was, you know, empowering talaga, no? Yung visibility na makita mo na si Nora, no, ibang-iba sa lahat ng ano. Kaya yung mga pelikula niya, talagang makita natin na naroon sa ano, no, sa Pullman na 'yon. The crowds like her. Ako nung nanonood ako, naalala ko bata ko, ang maingay sa pelikula, sa sinihan, you know? Manonood ka, nag-react talaga, iiyak yan, o sasabihin nila, kalaban yan, o talagang participative. No? Kahit hindi ka naman naririnig talaga ng ano, no? Ito yung mga times na talagang kahit pelikula yan, talagang nag-react yung mga manonood.
But how different is it now?
Now,
from then?
of course, yung awareness, no? Ngayon, mas marami na. Hindi lang nagki-cater sa lahat, you know? And then Filipinos are everywhere. So, makikita natin yung mga ano nila. So, hindi lang yung maputi ngayon dahil si Nora, she broke that barrier. So, lahat ngayon, kahit ang masa ngayon, kaya ngayon kay Maine, balik tayo kay Maine, it's an everyday thing. Kung ano yung nangyayari sa street, sa kalye.
At saka Yaya Dab. She got popular as Yaya Dab.
Parang yung sinasabi na, pati yung tita ko na
Tita
siya nanonood.
Manonood na siya. Ang kwento na ito ay kwentong template din, no? Formula din ito, yung magkakatuluyan ba sila o hindi. Pero ginagawa kasi ito everyday.
Di ba?
Meron ding mga tampu-tampuhan.
Hindi, nung sa umpisa, hindi sila mag-aaway.
Oo, pero sa isang banda, makita pa rin natin na mas magiging varied yung kanilang mga kwento. No? At yung mga kwento na ito ay kwento ng masa pa rin. You know? Kwento ng nasa kalye, no? Kwento ng, actually, yung kanilang shot na magkahiwalay.
Split screen.
Split screen, no? Napakahalaga noon kasi yun ang magiging batayan ng pandemic, you know, yung ganung klaseng
ng
acting
framing.
kasi ng mga framing na nasa interior ka kasi nga bawal lumabas,
Hindi,
may mga ganung
pero di ba bago pa nag-pandemic, nagkita na sila?
Oo, pero sinasabi ko na
Yung
yung
beginnings.
teknolohiya na yon, yung framing na yon, magiging napakahalaga na yon sa paggawa ng mga pelikula ng
In a few years after.
pandemic.
Also wanted to add to that, no? Na parang, iba kasi yung Aldab because tuloy, number one, nasa TV sila everyday. They have that advantage. Oo. And then parang yung merong thrill na makita ba sila, it's like a will they, won't they, but like
Sa tamang panahon.
sa tamang panahon. Tapos nagkaroon sila ng big concert.
Yeah.
So parang meron talagang
Nandun ako noon.
may thrill talaga na
Inaabangan talaga.
inaabangan talaga siya ng mga tao. So parang na-prolong talaga.
Pag-usapan naman natin, the machinery behind love teams. Kasi, like what you said earlier, Don, no, hindi naman yan umusbong na lang. Merong mga nagmamakinarya behind that. So, ano bang benefit ng paggawa ng love team? Immediate and not so obvious benefits to the industry.
Sigutin mo muna, tapos sasabihin ko yung makinarya.
Sige.
Sige.
Hindi, sigutin mo na.
I think it's more a product talaga. It's manufacturing a product. Whether it's a TV show, whether it's a movie, whether it's an actual merch or product that you want to sell, di ba? Kasi meron siyang, binibigyan nila ng muka yung story. So, di ba dati yung parang merong writer's room talaga na kailangan, okay, ano yung best story that we can front this love team together, di ba?
So love team muna bago storya.
I think it depends naman.
Maano yan? Dynamic. So,
Symbiotic, yeah.
oo.
Kung nakita na ba nila sa TV show
Oo.
na okay, nag-work yung chemistry nila. Or parang...
But what's the benefit to that in terms of cinema in our industry? Meron bang benepisyo ang pagkakaroon ng love team? That's why the machinery behind it is so active.
Actually, wala.
Pero they gave us like some of the best films,
So,
diba?
Pero,
Like you were
pero
saying,
sa akin talagang love team commercial viability lang.
So it's pure money.
Yeah.
Money.
Oo. Kaya nga nakakasira nga siya ng industry.
You think?
Not necessarily, box
Not
office.
necessarily.
Oo nga,
Pumps
pero,
blood into the-
oo nga, kasi mukhang pera lang yung mga ano to. Pero sa akin kasi, para bang hindi naman talaga ganun ako kasi, ang konsepto ko sa pelikula, it reflects ko ano yung nangyari sa toong buhay. Eh, hindi naman, kaya mas gusto ko, mas may social relevance,
Yeah.
yung mahirap sa ganito, yung kung ano yung buhay.
So mas immediate yung economic returns.
Oo kasi show business is a business.
ano na lang,
So importante rin naman
Yeah,
siya.
sige.
parang, I don't want to say who, but like,
Yeah.
I talked to an executive na parang, okay,
Sino?
secret, mamaya na lang, na, okay, ano yung benefits of having like this big of a movie
Yeah.
versus, because they had like an independent film arm before. So yung big movie, they fund the small film arm
ones.
where
That's
they
the
can
Lino Brocas
experiment.
style.
Yeah, where they can experiment more, where they can actually experiment with the love team na pwede nilang simulan. But also, like bolder stories that they want to tell, newer directors that they want to
Yeah.
test.
Yeah. I don't discount yung culture industry behind behind these love teams, no. And yun, totoo na para mag-produce ng pelikula, kailangan mong pera, di ba?
Mahal mag-produce
mahal
ng pelikula.
Mahal mag-produce, no? At kung hindi ito kakagatin sa pelikula, ang hirap mag-recuperate, you know?
Lalo na
natin
ngayon,
yan.
lalo na ngayon.
Di ba? So, yung commercial viability, totoo, tatanggapin natin yan, you know. Pero, sa akin palagay, hindi rin naman ganun, kumbaga, ganun ka-insidious na escapist lang lahat, you know. And the reason why I'm saying na hindi lahat escapist, kasi nga, may mga iba talaga na hanggang ngayon, no, ang Cinema Rehiyon halimbawa ay talagang nagiging very active sa production ng mga pelikula na hindi lang talaga sa yung template na na love story, no, o na iikot lang sa love team, no. Kahit love team ito, makita natin na lalagpas, no, magiging relevant, you know.
So, taga,
Kasi nga,
regional, may kalapit si Peggy Hinghay.
kahit hindi, yun na nga ang punto eh.
Kilala-
wala nang malinaw
Kilala mo
na,
siya?
but it's still a love story. But you will identify with the actors. Kasi yung mga actors na yun, makita mo, part na ng buhay natin. Yun naman yung maganda sa mga actors, lalo ngayon eh. They are not pretending to be the cult actors before. You know, yun ang ginawa ni Nora. Sorry kung maka-Nora ako dito Pero ang punto ko lang ay binaba ni Nora yung kulto ng mga love teams at saka mga pagiging artista sa masa talaga. And they are able to, identify, access it. And now they're making the stories. And I think that's empowering. And I think yung demand nila na maging relevant, no, maging will have to continue in this in this day and age. Kasi nga marami silang magagawang paraan, you know. And they will demand also, I think, yung mga producers to be more attentive sa kanilang needs, sa kanilang kaya kung mag-overflow ito into a collective action, you know, I won't be surprised, you know, na kaya nga, at may mga collective action na, mga fans who are actually, and in fact, fan studies ngayon ay isang bahagi ng pag-aaral sa kulturang popular. Meron kaming kurso na talagang fan studies ang pag-aaralan nila. Kung paano itong mga fans na ito ay lumalaki, nagiging isang komunidad,
Yes.
and they are also doing other things, not just watching movies. They're helping communities, they're helping yung mga victims ng typhoon, ng earthquake, and so on and so forth.
But I also hear what
Yeah.
Butch was saying because
Yeah.
hindi dapat centered on love teams yung film production natin.
Mm.
Which was sort of the case a few years ago before the pandemic na parang
Yeah.
Puro love
dire-diretso.
team.
o
Love
puro
team,
love
love
team.
team, love team.
Kaya merong perception pa rin yung mga tao hanggang ngayon na parang, pag Filipino cinema, ang kaya lang yan gawin ay magpakilig. Rom-com lang yan, puro rom-com. Pero ngayon kasi, if you're kind of looking closely at what movies are being produced, medyo nagsashy away na sila doon eh. Like yung latest ngayon is it's not really a love team, di ba? It's a Filipino drama pa rin.
So how do you think it influences storytelling, casting, or pagpili ng director? Sa tingin nyo ba parang malaki ang impluwensya ng material kung mas love team siya versus a material that's not a love team material?
Yes, meron ng kasiguraduhan eh. Diba? Kung may napatunayan na itong love team na to, if it all boils down to box office success, kung ito na yung na-establish, edi strike while it's hot. Kaya nga sabi mo, sunod-sunod for some time na ganito.
So direct Cathy, mga ganun
Oo.
direct Cathy.
And then kung ano yung tinatanggap ng fans, ano yung
Yes.
nakaka-relate sila. Kaya it takes a while for, the mold to take another shape. No? Pero yung sinabi mo na ngayon nga, nagpo-push yung boundaries. Pero feeling ko, in a few years time, babalik tayo pa rin sa template.
paano ngayon kung halimbawa bago ma-release yung pelikula, nag-break yung love
That
team?
is the unfortunate thing. Gagawa mo ng intriga.
Nangyari yan.
Even yung fans, lumalaki din sila. And sometimes, makita natin, yung mga pairs dati, dahil na-outgo na nila, kung minsan talagang pati yung sumasabay sila sa paglaki at pagbabago ng mga
Yeah.
love teams na
Yeah.
ito.
Mamature.
At inaano nila, no? So, yung mga kwento din ay ito ay reflective din ng mga fans din. At alam din nila na hindi hindi na viable, no? Okay, sira na. Kung minsan nga hindi ko nanganganak ang mga fandoms din, no? Na yung fans ni Vilma at saka Edgar Mortiz o kaya Vilma,
Boyet.
Christopher De Leon, nag-ano talaga siya, nanganganak ng iba't iba pang mga pairings. Kaya hindi ako, bawa kay Nadine at saka kay James, kay Catherine Bernardo at saka kay Daniel. Sabi nila, ito ang mga fans nito ay iba dito, anak, kundi maanak, ay fans din ni Vilma at saka ni Nora na nanganak,
Legacy. Legacy
umaano
fans.
talaga, no? Tumutuloy.
I thought
Oo.
you were referring to halimbawa, ano ba yung Maria Clara at Ibarra?
Oo, pero may-
si Barbie Cortez at saka si David
Si
Picapo.
David Picapo.
Hindi naman sila
Oo.
talaga yung original.
Oo.
Wala naman talaga sa sa storya.
Oo.
Kaya lang na-develop.
Oo.
Parang si Maris and si Anthony,
Correct.
Yes.
secondary love team
Oo.
lang din sila.
Oo.
diba?
At sila yung pumatok. Pero good that you mentioned Anthony and Maris. What do you think, Don, are the pressures that are, in front of love teams now? Especially in a more tactile. Kasi mas tactile ang social media ngayon with their stars eh. Ano mga pressures on and off screen sa tingin mo?
I can't speak like for the love team.
No. But I mean, what do you see?
What do I see? I think meron pressure slightly to kind of maintain that momentum. Like, di ba, dahil nagka-scandal nga sila Anthony, di ba? But medyo nagkaroon pa rin ng, I think I know there was a Netflix film after, which means
Yes.
that they tried to push the momentum of it, but parang nawala ng fizzle out.
Hindi. Kasi ang nakikita kong pressure kasi ngayon, nung araw, kapag ang love team, kasi usually hindi nakakatuloy yan kadalasan nun eh.
Yes.
Because, again, iba nga papasok, may asawa na.
Yeah.
So,
So clear yung distinction.
pero hindi alam ng public yun.
Oo.
So, at saka kasi wala namang social media noon na hindi mo kailangan ikwento lahat ng nangyayari sa buhay mo.
Yes.
Hindi kagaya ngayon, lahat ng platform nakasawsaw yung mga
Correct.
love team. So, wala sila magagawa kundi malalaman ng love team ng fans kung ano ginagawa niyo, kung kayo if you're still together or not.
And do you think it's more blurred, the lines of personal and private and public now?
Yes, almost gone. In fact, and
Gone?
Almost gone.
Almost
It's
gone.
still there. There's an awareness kasi alam mo naman, meron talagang distinction between real and real na R-E-E-L, no? Yung cinematic aspect of it. Kaya siguro kung ako yung artista, minsan wala ka na talagang konsepto ng privacy, everything. Nasaan yung agency? Nandun pa rin ba sa artista? Or kinukuha na ng fans na we can dictate what goes on with your life. This is not acceptable. This will not earn money in the box office or anything like
Correct.
that.
So kung ganun nga rin, where do you think it's going towards now? Saan na ba papunta yan? Because the lines are blurred,
Yeah.
personal and private is almost one and the same. Tug of war nga, sabi ni Anne, yung persona na pinupush ng manufacturer versus yung totoo na din yung demand ng public. Where do you think, Gary, love teams are going towards now with that dynamic?
I think ultimately, yung love team na ito is part of being romantic talaga. So the
In real
story
life.
in real life, you know.
Magkakatuluyan na talaga dapat sila.
Hindi naman, ang punto ay yung lahat ng mga usapin ng pag-ibig, you know, lahat naman ng usapin ay mayuugat mo sa pag-ibig. Di ba?
Parang
Ang magandang
love
huli.
teams.
Kaya ang punto ko ay kahit may love team, magkatuluyan man sila o hindi, o kumita man ng pelikula o hindi, this will always be a reflection of what's going on in our country, politically, economically.
So, in other
and to a
words,
certain degree,
yung pinatutunguhan nila is always just society.
Yeah. And then
Kasi I've noticed, dahil naging baklang best friend ng bayan na ako, di ba? Lahat ng mga love teams ng mga nagkatuluyan sila halos lahat eh. Sa totoo eh.
Pero
Unlike
hindi
in the
nagtatagal.
past. Hindi, pero at least nagkatuluyan. Kasi in the past, it wasn't a requirement, di ba? Ngayon, nagkakatuluyan sila eh. Like, again, talking about Nadine, when I first shot Diary ng Pangit with Nadine and James, hindi naman sila. Kahit ako nagulat, talaga naging sila. So parang I was happy for them. Kasi parang it's easy, kumbaga it's easier now.
Ang punto ko lang din is that kahit hindi nga magkatuluyan kasi hindi na refleksyon ng ating buhay ngayon. Bilang isang Filipino, lahat naman unrequited, lahat. Ang hirap mahalin kaya ng Pilipinas, di ba? Sa punto
Good
na ito, di ba?
So ang hirap ding magmahal ng love team ngayon.
Oo. Kaya
Gastos
kung meron mang nagkakahiwalayan, yan ay maliit na kwento ng pinaka-meta-narrative natin. Na ang hirap talaga magmahal, di ba? Walang forever pero may habang buhay. Yung isang
Paghihirap at baha.
Oo, meron naman talagang love team na
Okay, so maganda yan. So ano bang ina-expect natin ngayon as modern Filipinos of, Diyos ko, magto 2026 na, di ba? Of 2025, 2026, what do you think is the path of love teams going forward doon?
New faces.
Yeah.
That's it?
Oo.
What
Parang
na-
cycle lang din na magbabago lang ng mukha, magbabago ng actor, actress. Pero yung sinasabi nga ni Gary, the story will remain the same in terms of like how we love and what loving is for Filipinos. Pero ang development niyan is yung sensibility na pagiging modern, pagiging contemporary. Kasi like
Does that mean we can expect more same-sex love teams as well?
Yes, definitely.
Why not?
kung open yung
Kasi
producers, di ba?
mag-open
Why
yan.
not?
Yeah.
Di ba sa ano lang naman yan? Parang ang love team, parang parang same characters, iba lang ang mukha.
I wanted to add a point to what you were saying about same-sex love teams. Ang audience choice this year sa Cinemalaya is a lesbian barkada.
Yes, exactly.
And I think producers, kailangan lang silang tumaya na merong audience itong pelikula na gusto nilang gawin. Or parang merong audience for same-sex love teams. Kasi meron naman, and actually parang kulang tayo ng lesbian love.
Yes.
Absolutely, absolutely.
I think audiences now want Pure Joy depicted on the big screen. And
Oo, may iba namang, ibang storya.
Yeah.
Tama, I agree.
kasi I'm a jury at a film festival and I'm part of the queer program jury. Tapos ang pinakamalaking audience na nakita ko is a lesbian love story.
Yeah.
Hindi, tsaka kulang talaga tayo.
Kulang din. Yun din parang I have a friend na sinasabi, maraming nabunta kasi wala talagang ganyang story.
Kasi yan lang.
Yeah.
Oo.
And sa mga pride, very vocal ang lesbian couples, halimbawa. No?
Even trans stories, di ba? The
So,
audience choice this year.
Yung trans nga,
VMX Film Festival
pang-isa
was a
lang
trans.
pelikula no? So, kailangan dumami pa talaga yung ating
I think it's just a matter of how to evolve stories and storytelling.
Yeah.
Oh, eto quick fire Mabilisan to Top of your head. Most promising love team that you see now.
Now.
You.
Hindi na sila eh.
Pero
Pero-
hindi, sino naisip mo?
Ako na din talaga.
Ako rin.
Ano pa rin? Nadine
Oo,
and...
Nadine and... Pero wala na sila, di ba? So...
Pero sino nga?
Yan, Nadine.
Gusto mo pa rin sila ni
Gusto ko
James?
pa rin sila. Oo.
So, Jadine.
Jadine.
Ann.
The
Jadine?
impact of that pairing is just, and lalo na yung kay Nadine. Ako,
Yeah.
if you can see yung mga posts sa
Yeah.
ano namin, Facebook, puro Nadine
And
pa rin
Nadine,
forever.
as an actress, I think lumalaki
She
talaga
has
siya.
evolved.
And
She
she's
has matured.
very...
Yeah.
She has that sensibility, you know. Speak her mind and
Correct.
so yung independence na yun.
Butch.
Roger and Maming pa rin ako.
Hindi! Sino mga kinikilig ka ngayon?
Hanggang ngayon, kinikilig ko na. Sa YouTube sila eh.
Sa mga bata?
At kilala ko naman sila Jadine, kilala ko naman yung Katniel. But then, gusto ko kasi tested by time na eh.
Sino, okay, sino dyan sa sinabi mong love team na favorite mo, sino ang pinakamalapit sa mga bata?
Pinakamalapit sa bata.
In terms of, sino yung pinaka-parallel?
Hindi, kasi iba sila talaga nung araw because yung sila Rogelio de Rosa, Carmen Rosales, at even at age 40, pwede silang lumabas as first year college students.
So you want versatility.
Yes.
So yun ang gusto mo sa mga bagong love team. Sana mas
Kasi
versatile
sa
pa.
akin, ayoko pumili because hindi pa sila proven.
So wala pa?
Wala pa.
Okay. Don.
Ang merong momentum is Ash Team talaga.
Okay.
Talagang
What's their latest?
they have a series
May
on the
series,
one.
ah.
Tsaka tinatayaan talaga sila ng Viva eh. And merong fans din that back them up. Na parang they're hyping up the love team, even the stories that they are telling.
Okay, question kay Butch. Kasi medyo ang taas ng standards mo kasi. Kasi golden age eh. Yung mga gusto mo eh. Anong mga dynamics ng love team ang gusto mong makita na magbibigay sa'yo ng para pag nakita ko to sa mga bagong love team, gusto ko sila. Anong dynamic?
Bababa ako kila Nida Blanca ha.
Aha.
Yung talagang alam mong doon pa lang may promise na talaga sila maging napakagaling na artista na magtatagal na longevity.
I agree with you on that.
Yes.
I really believe and we need crafters. And when I say
Uh-huh.
that, yung may talent, I don't want pretty faces.
Kasi
Ang
remember,
dami nila
hindi
eh.
usang workshop ng araw.
Oo,
Kung
eh.
saan-saan na yung pretty faces eh.
What about you, Don? What do you think are what dynamics of love teams do you want to see going further?
Gusto ko magaling umarte.
Same.
Kasi doon sila magtatagal eh.
Yeah.
Doon,
I think we're in unison with that naman. Ikaw, Ann?
Given na yung maganda, magaling umarte. Pero
I don't
sa
think
pag-
na, alam mo, very rare tayong nagkakaroon ng love team na pangit.
Di ba?
Isa lang ang exception
Asan ang
dyan.
ilunong doon?
And I don't say pangit, but not like when you said with Nora, it was a barrier breaking. Yung kay Alessandra and Empoy.
Empoy.
But
Non-conventional.
Non-conventional. Pero I think we still love our pretty faces.
Yes. So given na yon, pero ngayon, lalo na sa nangyayari sa paligid, gusto ko na social awareness din.
You
sa
like
mga
social
love
awareness? Yeah,
teams
yun
na to.
din.
Nakakasabay sa panahon. Kaya pag meron silang sinasabi, parang,
Nakaka-turn off yung mga problematic.
oo, di ba? Yung mga toxic na ganyan.
Social awareness. Meron din niya si Tony Santos, si tsaka si Rosa Rosales.
Oh, hindi mo naman. Of course, Tita Rose.
Na meron silang prinsipyo.
Ikaw, what about
I
you?
agree.
may pinaglalaban.
So
yeah.
what about
Yeah.
well, aside from that and talent,
Mhm.
what else do you see?
Actually, yung pagiging aware, so yung awareness na yon, yung pagiging woke, kung gagamitin natin yung kanilang lengguwahe.
May kamalayan.
No, may kamalayan, no? And then eventually, that they will outgo even itong love team na ito. Kasi sa akin, yung
So,
ganung klase
okay.
position is a critical distance as well. They know that they are actors, that this love team will pass, and that I will be able to, be an actress or be an actor,
On my own.
on her own.
Saka kasi yung kamalayan, yan din yung mag-empower sa kanila para pumili ng stories that they want to be seen on the big screen.
Wow. Ang sarap naman huminga nun. Well, that was a great insight to end on, ladies and gentlemen. Lady and gentlemen.
The token female.
hindi man lang hindi natin natakal si Marita Subel at saka si
Masyadong
Salvador
maikli.
Jr.
Baka kailangan natin ng
Si
part
Mandy
2.
Clark at saka si Ninita Vidal.
Madami pa yan. Madami pa.
Butch needs a podcast. Tapos
Yun, yun lang, rundown lang, diba?
lang to be comprehensive.
Pero, I mean, what a great conversation. It was a full circle moment. And I'd like to thank Don, of course, Butch, and
Thank
Gary.
you for having
Thank you,
us.
thank you.
Thank you for a wonderful chikan session. What a great
Yeah.
insight
Yeah.
to end our conversation, and it really brings
Agreed.
into a full circle this entire conversation on love teams. Love teams have shaped our screen romances for generations, and we've seen today they continue to evolve alongside all of us. With that, we'd like to thank our guests, Don,
Thank you.
Butch, Anne, and Gary.
you.
Thank you for
Thank you.
sharing with us your knowledge, as usual. your well of historical information. And thank you for joining us, where we discover and uncover the faces and forces that move Philippine cinema.
Who here believes that going to film school is a good idea? Raise hands. You were in film school when it was still literally filmed. Parang compare, I want to hear, no regrets there, no? No regret.
Sa iAcademy, ano kami? TTT. Theory, Technology, and of course, Trends.
Uno kami sa film pornography.
Oh, yes. We had an elective pornography, hindi naman gumawa.
Meron ka mamimit na taga UP Village, meron galing Cavite para manood ng Broca Film.